Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, Seaman Davis. Welcome to another video. So this is the second day of the games actually. So the first day you already saw we had the football tournament and chess tournament and the eliminatory round of the badminton and dart tournament. So in the second day we're gonna see the final of dart and table tennis and the badminton for sure. So we're gonna enjoy the matches and you're gonna see who are the winners soon. So anyway, welcome to the new video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Welcome. In the very early morning, we got the exquisite view of the sunrise from the balcony of my room. So it was a very good morning. Later, the sun rises up. You can see the climate change to foggy. It's totally foggy. You cannot see the ship anchored near to your ship, or you cannot see any land close by. So we were anchored, but you cannot see the nearest land solo. Even the sun is out, but you cannot see the nearest ship. It's already foggy all around. The total Rome city is totally fogged. The harbor is totally covered up with fog. Later by the evening, you get good rain with hailstones falling down. So a lot of rain. You can see, as you can see in the video, there is a lot of rain. And all the Civitavecchia port is covered up with rain. The same time, hail also started to fall down. You can see like ice is snowing, like not like ice, it's exactly hail. Very nice experience we got. In the morning it is foggy, evening hail falling. You can see from the balcony all over the ship. All the ship in my colleagues in different ship, they posted the pictures in the social media and in the WhatsApp and etc. all. So they posted this hailstone falling along with the rain. We got heavy rain in the evening, even though it is summertime. Heavy rain along with a hailstone falling. Let's check it out, the video, rest of the video. In the one corner of the playground, we can see the badminton tournament is going on. The match between Sabiachi, the security, and Cedric Carvalho is a chef on board. The match is going on. These all the semi-finals and all is happening. Later, the final match will be happening in between Dixon and Galia. It's an Indonesian fellow. He's also a chef. Dixon is one of my colleague in my department. So the final match will be happening around 9:45. So for sure we're gonna watch a good game, the final. Both are good players. Let's check who will be the winner of the game. What a game Cedric is having. Huh? क्या देगा? तू भी है ना इसमें? तू मेरा मेन प्लेयर है उसका. You are the main actor in my programs. Hello, Hans. What a game! As you can see here, the final between Dixon Desha and Galia Agusti. The final match is started. We have a referee, Mr. Roberto Perigio from Italy. He is our inventory officer on board. At the same time here, table tennis doubles tournament also going on in between Cedric and HR Carla Tripani, and along with the opponent like Singh Parmenter and Wilton. So they will be the doubles tournament. You can see the final match is going on. This one is for fun they are playing. We don't have a doubles tournament on board. We just played individual game, singles for the table tennis. Yeah. Okay. We have a winner. The winner is Galia from the Indonesia. Good game, my friend. Good game. Hey. നിങ്ങൾ എവിടെ
Last point, 19. And the winner?
फाउल किया था, बैट उसमें टच किया था. Winner is Cedric and Carla Trepani. Yes, HR director. Good job. Here champions of badminton, Roberto Perigio. Final between Cedric and Farouk. Good work.
In the final of table tennis, the final was in between Cedric Carvalho and Ahmad Farouk. So in the final, Cedric Carvalho won the match against Ahmad Farouk from Indonesia. The scoreline was 21 points against 17 points. So Cedric, he was along with me in the football game. He won the match, and in the table tennis also he won the match, ping pong game. So he got 2 prizes in the summer tournament. Nice game. For sure we can say he is a real champion, Cedric Carvalho from Goa, India. There were 6 players playing the dart tournament, but out of that, Singh Parminder and Sabi from security department, they were the finalists. So we all have a doubt how to play the dart game. A dartboard is a round board, one which contains points from 1 to 20 points in a zigzag manner. The player has three darts in the hand, and the player needs to aim on the point above 11 to 20. Out of 3 darts, at least 2 has to be in the same column in order to open 1 dart point. So there is also a dart point table besides, so we can see after you hit above 11 to 20, anything in between 11 to 20 2 times the same throw, you can open 1 point. So you need to open at least like from to 11 to 20 everything, every column. Once you open every column, you have to go for the bullseye. Bullseye means the center part of the column. 2 players has to be there in the dart game in order to open the scorecard from to 11 to 20. As soon as they achieve the scorecard, if they can go for the bullseye, means the center of the board. Once you complete all the tasks, you're gonna win the game. You hit the bullseye, 3 darts in the bullseye, you will be the champion. That is a dartboard game. So it's all about aim and concentration. At the same time, we have the final match of dart game is going on between Singh Parminder and Sabi from both are from India. From the security department. Singh is from our one of our chef on board. Sabiachi is a security guard on board. In the final match, Sabi won the match against Singh. So Sabi is the champion of the dart tournament.
After a tough day outing of the games, we see who are the winners and runners of the games. So in the badminton, we have Galia from Indonesia is the winner, and runner-up is Mr. Dixon. And for the table tennis, it will be Mr. Cedric Carvalho, the partner in my football game. He is the champion, and Mr. Ahmad Farouk is the runner-up. And for the dart tournament, Sabiachi is a security guard on board. He is the winner, and the runner-up is Singh Parminder. So we had the winners, and tomorrow will be the closing ceremony and the prize ceremony. Tomorrow the captain also will go home, so you're gonna see the prize ceremony down here for sure. The time is already 11:30 right now, so everybody want to take rest. As usual, the game starts normally 9:30 and the game ends 11:30. 2 hours of play per day. And tomorrow we're gonna see, time is already 11:30. Tomorrow night we're gonna see the closing ceremony. The captain gonna give the prize for me. I'm also much awaiting for the prize what I got. I don't know what I'm going to get. For sure I'm getting something for my first prize in my football tournament. Anyway, thank you very much. Thank you for watching my channel. Wait there for the next video. Thank you very much.